Hello, welcome to my home. This is my beautiful single room home. This is my main door. Once you enter, behind it there is a broom and a jerry can that holds fresh water. And next to it, immediately after you enter, there is a socket. That is the only socket that I have in my whole house with only one lighting, and next to it is my key holder. And then I have two jerry cans that I use for fresh water, one for cooking, one for drinking. And remember, my house is wall to wall. Next to it is a socket. And this socket is the only socket that I own in this home. So if you see it is not plugged on anything, trust me, there is no appliance that is working. Next to it is my humble kitchen. This is the place that I call kitchen. Bring me my cup from kitchen. Kitchen. This is the wall that I call kitchen, the corner that I consider as my kitchen. Basically, you can see everything that is there. That is what is there actually. There is drinking water, a makeup pan, and our gas cylinders in Kenya does not explode because they are surrounded and covered by the blood of Jesus. We stay with them inside our homes, inside our rooms, but we trust in God. There up, there is my chopping board, and the rest of the utensils and shopping that I have is in my kitchen, guys. There is no any other place that is my kitchen. So next wall is another strong long wall that has a curtain, and that curtain is next to a window that people passes by, bikes pass by, tuk-tuk do pass by, big lorries, fire extinguishers, and they all make noise, but I don't care. Next to it is a laundry area, my place where I place basins, the laundry basket, and next to it is a bunch of art bags. And up there, I have another extra art bag and a cape that I go to work, and my manifestations on the wall. And this, we are inside my walk-in closet, guys. This is my walk-in closet. Let me shout. This is my walk-in closet, and here are my sprays, my lotions, my everything, and a mirror on top of that, and everything that a girl needs. Next to it, next department is where I place my dresses and tops and other handbags that doesn't hang. The next department is for trousers and some few dresses that did not fit in the upper rack. And next to it are my dresses, deras, bed sheets, and sweaters, and other clothes that did not find somewhere to stay. And the last but not the least is my shoe rack. Look at my shoe rack, guys. I'm blessed. I'm overly blessed. And this is basically my area where I store clothes. And I love it. Look how neat it is. And I make sure everything is always neat because my house, you can literally see everything. Next to it is another wall that has a curtain and leads to my bedroom. Guys, this is where all the financial matters are discussed, in these walls and this corner. This is where I come and sleep when I am exhausted. When fatigue hits me, this is where I come and cry and eat and journal and do a lot of things. This is where most of the ideas and a lot of wishes are born. And in the middle of this home, there is a couch, a two-seater couch. This is where I rest when I just don't want to be in the bed. Sometimes I place my clothes, my clean clothes after laundry here before folding. I fold from this couch. And this couch is everything that I love in this home. And my bed, guys, I love my bedroom. I love my bedroom, guys. I don't know this house is a one bedroom or a single room. Next to it is a whole wall that carries my entertainment area. I come to be entertained. Yeah, I will come, connect. You see the extension on the far end and these books, I read them, guys, and journal. So you see my extension over there, I connect with the only socket I have and start watching. Look at my carpet. This gives my home the cozy feeling. It makes my home feel warm and also hote like the owner. Guys, I have throat issues. My voice is not voicing. I have been working at night, so I don't have, my sound is not that straight, or maybe let me say it's scratchy, but moving on, we do what we're gonna do. So basically this is my home, and I hope I have fulfilled the promise that I gave out the other day. In case you watched this point, thank you so much, and don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, tag people, share my videos, turn on the post notification bell. Do anything you can do to support this growing beautiful girl. Thank you for watching, and see you to the next one.